The summon not available error on your Tesla Model 3 can be frustrating. It primarily stems from unmet requirements related to full self-driving capability, specific vehicle settings, connectivity issues, or parking environment limitations. This section will give you a checklist to understand the root cause. First, check if your vehicle meets the full self-driving capability requirements. Second, ensure specific vehicle settings are properly configured. Third, verify connectivity with the Tesla app and network. Fourth, consider parking environment limitations, such as obstacles that sensors detect. Summon requires either FSD supervised version 12.5.5 or later, or full FSD capability. Make sure your Model 3 has one of these active. Also, confirm you've opted in to FSD through the car's touchscreen interface. Update your Tesla app to the latest version, at least 4.20 as of 2026, for compatibility and bug fixes. A stable internet connection via cellular or Wi-Fi is crucial for the feature to work. To prepare your Tesla Model 3 for Summon, several vehicle settings must be correctly configured. First, ensure your Model 3 is in park mode and all doors are unlocked. Second, make sure both the front and trunk are completely closed before using Summon. Third, enable geofencing through the Tesla app to set boundaries and prevent unintended movement outside the designated area. Finally, double-check all these settings in the vehicle and app before attempting to use the Summon feature. Summon is designed for low-speed, short-distance maneuvers, covering distances up to 100 feet at a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour, and it works best in simple environments. It cannot operate on public roads, as it is intended only for private parking areas. The parking spot needs to be at least 7 feet wide to allow the vehicle to maneuver safely. Avoid using Summon in adverse weather conditions, such as heavy rain, where visibility and sensor performance can be significantly reduced. Similarly, avoid snow, as it can obscure sensors and create obstacles that the system may not detect properly. Summon also struggles with steep inclines exceeding 15% grade, where the vehicle's stability and traction may be compromised. Additionally, it has difficulty handling curbs and barriers, which can obstruct the path or cause navigation issues. Summon's functionality depends on a network of sensors working together. The system uses 8 surround cameras that provide 360-degree visual coverage, a forward radar for detecting objects at longer ranges, and 12 ultrasonic sensors for close-range obstacle detection. These sensors must remain unobstructed. Any blockage from mud, stickers, snow, or debris can prevent proper detection. For example, heavy snowfall can completely cover sensors, making them ineffective. Sometimes sensors may detect phantom obstacles, false positives that aren't actually there. This can occur due to calibration issues or environmental interference. To resolve this, access the service menu and use the Clear Calibration tool to reset the sensor calibration. When functioning properly, the sensors work together to detect obstacles around the vehicle, sending data to ensure safe Summon operation. If Summon not available persists after checking basic requirements, try restarting your Tesla to clear any temporary software glitches. This simple reset can resolve issues related to the vehicle's onboard computer or FSD system. Next, reposition the car slightly if misalignments are causing the issue. Minor shifts in parking position can help the sensors better map the environment and avoid false obstacle detections. Verify GPS accuracy by driving the car briefly in an open area. Weak GPS signals can prevent Summon from navigating properly, so this ensures the system has a reliable location fix. Finally, ensure no passengers or pets are inside the vehicle during Summon attempts. Safety protocols require the car to be unoccupied to prevent any risk during autonomous movement. If basic troubleshooting fails, check for software updates for both your car and the Tesla app. A recent Tesla update, V12, released October 2025, addressed many Summon bugs. Ensure strong cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. Low GPS signal can also prevent Summon. Try moving to an area with better reception. Tesla is continuously improving Summon through AI and machine learning. The IQ4 processor systems handle complex neural network computations for better autonomous decisions. Expect increased integration with smart home devices, allowing voice-activated Summon through systems like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Enhanced handling of dynamic obstacles means Summon can better navigate around moving pedestrians or vehicles in real time. Tesla aims for fully autonomous summon in the future, potentially allowing longer distances and highway merges. However, regulatory hurdles and privacy concerns around sensor data sharing remain significant challenges. Keep your software updated for the latest improvements. Regular updates bring enhanced reliability and new features to the summon system.